Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special episode since I'm not wearing my hat at all and I wasn't even shaving lately, so it's a perfect day to start working on the car. But before I'm gonna start working on the car, I just want to show you all the parts that I got in the previous weeks. Let's go and check it out. And check this out. I already spent at least like $2,000 only on these products over here. As you can see, I bought the XD multiple clutch system. I hope it's gonna hold at least like 500 horsepower. That's what I bought. I also got the E85 set right over here. This is a hard wiring kit. I have the fuel pressure regulator from AEM. I have the fuel pump, the DW200 from Works. Also, I got the monolock color for the clutch. They said this is like a must-have. Also, I bought two of the piston rings. Yeah, I only got two of them because I got some great deal on them, like $20 off each. So I had to buy them. Of course, the throwout bearing, fuel pressure gauge. I bought these wheels to work on the camshaft journals because as you could see in the previous videos, they're being scratched up. I got this polishing compound from Harbor Freight. This is the Dremel I'm gonna use. Also got these bearings for the balancer. Some of the bolts for the flywheel. Some other boards for the pistons, head studs, piston ring compressor, and 1800cc fuel injectors from Fuel Injector Clinic. And obviously a torque wrench. I also have the small one, I just don't know where did I put it. Because I had to move the shop back to the garage, so I don't even know where the half of the stuff. But anyway, let's go and work on that head. So this is what we are dealing with. Things like this. I don't know how the hell it did happen, but it did. As you can see, there's a small scratch. Here's a little more. I don't know if you can really see, but it's right there. Okay, and this one, and it's a pretty deep one. I think I already get it out, most of it. I just need to, you know, polish it out, make it a smooth surface. Okay, let's start doing it. All right, guys, I decided to drop the head and not working with it because it's I don't have the tools, to be honest. So I just dropped it here at ADV cylinder heads. They're here in the valley. They're really nice. The manager is just top notch, and the estimate was pretty cheap, $40–50 for machining the whole thing. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick it up. I just dropped most of the parts, so I'm heading home. And I'm gonna make the other video tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna work a little on the block today. I think I'm gonna put on the water pump, the oil pump, and pretty much that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Unfortunately, this is the second part. I still have to take it to the shop because turns out still have to rehome the cylinders. I mean the cylinder walls. Also, when I took this protector off, I realized that some of the bearings has some fine scratches. So yeah, I'm taking it to the shop. They have to figure it out what to do, how much it's gonna cost me. Is better than figure it out myself. Yeah.